So after the successful launches of the OnePlus 11 and the OnePlus 11R, OnePlus might be ready to pull off another card of its sleeve, as recently OnePlus launched OnePlus Ace 2 Pro in China, which as of now is exclusive to China only, but it has a very high chance of going global and also coming to India. And if so, then OnePlus might give a tight competition to the Nothing Phone 2, which is a controversial device, yet it's doing a good job given it's a brand new company. So yeah, it's basically new Calpay versus the old Calpay. Anyway, so as you can see in this unboxing video, which I don't know whom to credit for as it's available everywhere by everyone, so sorry about that. But anyways, you get the red box and underneath you get the documentations, OnePlus stickers, a soft TPU case, but most importantly the device itself and the red USB-C cable along with a massive 150 watts Super VOOC charger that can charge from 0 to 100 in just around 17 minutes. Now let's see how it differs from the OnePlus 11R and especially the Nothing Phone 2. The display is the same as the OnePlus 11R, but you do get a bit of upgrade where you get the same 6.74 inch 1.5K AMOLED panel which can go up to 120Hz, but still no LTP or take as the Nothing Phone 2 though. But you do get the same brighter 1600 nits peak brightness like the Nothing Phone 2, which is again better than OnePlus 11R. But the most significant change which will set it apart from the OnePlus 11R and the Nothing Phone 2 is the chipset, as this one is using the latest beast from Snapdragon, that is the 8 Gen 2 processor, but that's not it. The base variant of this device is still gonna offer you 12GB of RAM and 256GB storage, but the topmost you can get is a whopping 24GB of RAM and a 1TB of storage, and that too LPDDR5X coupled with UFS 4.0 storage speeds. Even though I'm not sure if it's for all of the storage variants, but it's still a good upgrade. The body of this device is still a plastic build but with a glass back, and this is also going to retain the 5000 mAh battery, but now with a faster 150 watts charging. You get the same 50MP main Sony sensor along with the 8MP ultra wide and the relatively useless 2MP macro and the 16MP front camera. The phone is said to come with Android 13 and the Indian pricing is said to be around Rs 35,000 when converted from its Chinese pricing, but I'm sure the price will increase when it comes to India, as the 11R base variant starts at around 40,000 as of now, even though it's 6 months old. But on the other hand, the Redmi K60 is also ready with even cheaper prices but with the same chipset. Video coming soon by the way. So stay subscribed, and it's Ridip and bye.